In 1986, Jack Baldwin, Lynn Baldwin, and Michael Meeks had a vision to assemble a talented team of technologists that know how to build enterprise real-time software. Their vision took off as the team grew and big projects started to happen. BHMI quickly established a strong reputation, earning the trust of companies across diverse industries to develop software solutions essential to their business success. Given the critical nature of these applications, the solutions BHMI designed were continuously available, highly scalable, and exceptionally reliable. BHMI's expertise ultimately led to the creation of the Concourse Financial Software Suite, which is transforming the back-office processing of electronic payments. Its continuous-based processing and rules-based architecture make it the most flexible and powerful solution in the marketplace. 40 years ago, BHMI was created to build software that provided exceptional value for our clients and professional pride for our team. And while our values have remained the same, our reach has expanded. We are providing solutions to companies around the world, all thanks to you, our loyal customers and trusted partners. At BHMI, delivering exceptional solutions is more than a goal. It's our passion. From product managers and architects to engineers, QA analysts, program directors, and support specialists, our team is united by a drive to innovate, a commitment to continuous improvement, and a dedication to serving our clients with respect and excellence. We are thankful to have served you for the last 40 years, and we are motivated more than ever to be by your side for 40 more years and beyond. This anniversary is more than a celebration. It's a chance to look to the future, dream big, and find new ways to address a rapidly evolving industry. As we honor our past and celebrate this milestone, we remain committed to innovation, partnership, and excellence, continuing to build the solutions that power your success today and for decades to come.